Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering ultrasound techniques in just 5 easy steps. As a sonographer, I know how crucial it is to have strong ultrasound skills. Not only can it boost your career, but it also leads to better patient care. Ultrasound technology is constantly evolving, and being proficient in it can set you apart in the medical field. It's not just about performing procedures, it's about doing them with confidence and precision. With mastery of ultrasound skills, you'll be able to provide more accurate diagnoses and better treatment plans. It's a win-win for both you and your patients. The journey to mastering ultrasound starts with understanding its importance and how it impacts your daily work. To get started with ultrasound practice, you'll need a few essential tools. An ultrasound machine is, of course, the most critical piece of equipment. Make sure you're comfortable using it and understand its various features. You'll also need ultrasound gel to ensure good contact between the probe and the patient's skin. Having relevant anatomical charts or guides can be super helpful too. Understanding basic anatomy and ultrasound physics is also a prerequisite. Let's break down the learning process into 5 clear and manageable steps. Step 1 involves getting familiar with the ultrasound machine and learning how to optimize image quality. This includes understanding the different types of probes and when to use them. You'll also learn about the various imaging modes and how to adjust settings for the best possible images. Step 2 focuses on learning basic scanning techniques. This includes how to position the patient and yourself for optimal scanning. You'll learn about the importance of ergonomics and how to avoid fatigue during long procedures. Step 3 is all about understanding and identifying normal anatomy. You'll learn how to recognize different structures and how to measure them accurately. Step 4 involves learning how to identify and document abnormalities.